These aren't just 22 new Milwaukee tools. They're the most powerful M18 releases changing job sites in 2026. Stick around because the #1 tool on this list might be the best Milwaukee upgrade you've ever seen. M18 HOTSHOT Jump Starter. The Milwaukee M18 HOTSHOT Jump Starter is built to get you back on the road in minutes with serious starting power for cars, trucks, and work vehicles. Powered by the trusted M18 battery platform, it's fast, portable, and job site ready. If you're looking for one emergency tool every garage should have in 2026, this might be it. M18 Fuel Large Angle Grinder. Built for the toughest cutting and grinding jobs, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 9-inch Large Angle Grinder delivers corded-level performance without the cord. Its power-state brushless motor provides incredible power, speed, and durability, making it a top choice for steel fabrication, concrete work, and demanding job site tasks. This is the kind of tool every serious pro wants in 2026. M18 Fuel Impact Wrench. Need serious torque without dragging around an air hose? The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Impact Wrench delivers incredible fastening power for automotive repairs, heavy equipment, and construction jobs. With high-speed performance, cordless convenience, and legendary durability, it's one of the most trusted M18 tools that every mechanic and contractor should own in 2026. M18 Fuel Deep Cut Circular Saw. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Deep Cut Circular Saw is built for fast, clean cuts through thick lumber and engineered wood. Its power-state brushless motor delivers impressive cutting speed with the freedom of cordless performance. Whether you're framing, remodeling, or tackling DIY projects, this saw is a must-have for serious builders in 2026. M18 SDS Max Rotary Hammer. When concrete and masonry stand in your way, the Milwaukee M18 SDS Max Rotary Hammer delivers the power to break through with ease. Engineered for heavy-duty drilling and demolition, it combines cordless freedom with professional-grade performance. It's a game-changing tool for contractors who demand maximum power and reliability on every job site. M18 Extended Reach Ratchet. The Milwaukee M18 Extended Reach Ratchet makes working in tight engine bays and hard-to-reach spaces faster than ever. Its extended neck, high-speed performance, and cordless convenience help mechanics finish repairs with less effort. If you work on cars or trucks, this is one M18 tool you'll wish you had sooner. M18 Fuel Surge Hydraulic Driver. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Surge Hydraulic Driver delivers smooth, powerful fastening with significantly less noise than a traditional impact driver. Its hydraulic drive system reduces vibration while maintaining impressive performance, making it perfect for remodeling, woodworking, and daily job site tasks. It's a smart upgrade every professional and DIYer will appreciate in 2026. M18 Fuel Barrel Grip Jigsaw. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Barrel Grip Jigsaw is designed for smooth control, precision, and clean curved cuts. Its power-state brushless motor delivers fast cutting performance through hardwood, plywood, and metal, while the barrel grip provides exceptional accuracy. Whether you're a finished carpenter or DIY enthusiast, this is a must-have cordless cutting tool for 2026. M18 Top-Off Charger and Power Supply. The Milwaukee M18 Top-Off Charger and Power Supply turns your M18 battery into a portable power station, letting you charge laptops, phones, tablets, and other devices anywhere. Perfect for job sites, camping, or emergencies, it adds incredible versatility to the M18 platform and is one accessory every Milwaukee fan should own in 2026. M18 REDLITHIUM FORGE Battery. The Milwaukee M18 REDLITHIUM FORGE HD 12.0 battery is built for maximum runtime, high output performance, and demanding professional applications. It keeps powerful M18 tools running longer while supporting fast charging and consistent power under heavy loads. For contractors who rely on cordless tools every day, this battery is a serious game changer in 2026. M18 Brushless Precision Blower. The Milwaukee M18 Brushless Precision Blower delivers powerful, controlled airflow for clearing dust, debris, and sawdust from job sites, workshops, and vehicles. Its compact, cordless design makes cleanup fast and effortless without dragging around a bulky blower. If you value a clean workspace, this is one M18 tool you'll use every single day. M18 Backpack Vacuum. The Milwaukee M18 3-in-1 Backpack Vacuum makes job site cleanup faster with powerful cordless suction and hands-free comfort. Wear it as a backpack or use it in multiple configurations to clean tight spaces with ease. Whether you're a contractor, electrician, or remodeler, this versatile vacuum helps keep every workspace spotless in 2026. M18 Brushless String Trimmer. The Milwaukee M18 Brushless String Trimmer delivers gas-like cutting performance without the noise, fumes, or maintenance. Its brushless motor powers through thick grass and stubborn weeds, making yard work faster and easier. If you want professional landscaping results with cordless convenience, this is one of Milwaukee's best outdoor tools for 2026. M18 Fuel QUIK-LOK Attachment System. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel QUIK-LOK Attachment System transforms one power head into multiple outdoor tools in seconds. Swap between trimmer, edger, pole saw, hedge trimmer, and more without carrying extra equipment. It's a smart, space-saving solution that delivers professional performance for homeowners and landscapers alike in 2026. M18 PEX Expander. The Milwaukee M18 PEX Expander takes the hassle out of PEX installations by creating fast, consistent expansions with minimal effort. Designed for professional plumbers, it speeds up waterline installations while improving accuracy and productivity. If you work with PEX systems, this cordless tool is a major time saver you'll appreciate on every job. M18 Fuel Compact Pipe Threader. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Compact Pipe Threader makes pipe threading faster, cleaner, and easier on the job site. Its compact cordless design is ideal for tight spaces, while the Power State brushless motor delivers reliable performance on demanding plumbing and mechanical work. It's a must-have upgrade for professionals who value speed, precision, and portability. M18 Fuel 5 cubic feet per minute Vacuum Pump. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 5 cubic feet per minute Vacuum Pump gives HVAC professionals the freedom to pull fast, reliable vacuums without relying on extension cords. Its cordless design improves mobility while delivering the performance needed for demanding service calls. For technicians who value efficiency and convenience, this is a standout M18 upgrade for 2026. M18 Fuel 10 Gauge Nibbler. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 10 Gauge Nibbler is built for fast, clean metal cutting without the sparks or distortion of traditional tools. It slices through thick sheet metal with impressive precision, making it ideal for fabrication, roofing, and HVAC work. If you work with metal every day, this cordless powerhouse is a game-changing addition. M18 Fuel Cable Stripper. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Covered Conductor. Cable stripper is designed to strip covered power cables quickly, cleanly, and with consistent precision. Built for utility crews and electrical professionals, it reduces manual effort while improving productivity on demanding jobs. If speed, accuracy, and safety matter, this M18 tool is a serious game changer for 2026. M18 Fuel Branch Conduit Bender. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Branch Conduit Bender helps electricians make fast, accurate conduit bends with less physical effort. Its cordless design boosts productivity while delivering consistent, professional results on every job site. Whether you're handling commercial or industrial electrical work, this innovative M18 tool is built to save time and improve efficiency. M18 Torch Carbide Teeth. The Milwaukee M18 Torch Carbide teeth blades are built to tackle the toughest demolition jobs with exceptional durability and long-lasting performance. Designed to cut through thick metal, cast iron, and abrasive materials, they outlast standard blades by a wide margin. If you demand faster cuts and fewer blade changes, these are worth every penny. M18 Auger Snowblower Kit. The Milwaukee M18 Auger Propelled Dual Battery. Single-stage snowblower kit delivers gas-like snow-clearing power with the convenience of cordless performance. Its dual battery system provides extended runtime, while the Auger Propelled design helps tackle deep snow with less effort. For homeowners facing harsh winters, this is one of Milwaukee's most impressive outdoor tools for 2026. If you enjoyed these incredible Milwaukee M18 tools, hit like and subscribe because we've got even more next-level tools and game-changing gear coming your way. Which tool was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next one.